very excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Asher's very first mini bike.
Lil Rascal.
We have some tuning to do.
Action. What is up, boys?
Howdy, partner.
What's up, Asher?
The sky.
All right.
Anyways, it's part 3, baby. You ready for your first ride?
Sure.
This is gonna be epic.
Oh yeah.
We'll get you all geared up.
Yep.
We'll head out and we'll get you on camera, bro. What do you got? You got helmet, right?
Yes, of course. Need
No,
that.
no gloves. You're not a glove guy.
Not for now. Maybe later.
Okay. Did you bring a motorcycle jacket?
Not in my price range.
Gotcha. Here you go. Oh, dude. Killer.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Get geared up, bro.
Okay.